The following presentation contains a general overview of the geography of Republic of Armenia. Geography is the study of planet Earth, its climate, resources, geographical cover, population, economy, and regional differences. Planet Earth is home to all humanity. Humanity is represented by different nations and races. The planet Earth is divided into continents, mainlands, territories, and countries. One of these territories is Armenia. Whoever does not recognize his homeland cannot truly love it, said Rafi, a great Armenian writer. By studying geography, you will learn about territorial differences. Geography also allows you to look at these territorial differences and use it as base to compare countries. As a result, you will be able to determine unique features which characterize each country. The main features of the geographical location of Armenia are shown on the diagram. The first is its main location. Armenia is located on the crossroads of various civilizations, where the political interests of superpowers of the world collide. Second attribute of Armenia is that at the moment, state of Armenia occupies a small part of historical Armenia. Next attribute is that large percentage of Armenians are scattered all over the world, and only small percent of them live in the Republic of Armenia, including mountainous Karabakh. And finally, another very important feature, there is a big variety of contrast in natural and economic conditions of Armenia. In Armenian, Armenia is pronounced Hayastan, and is as old as the name Hay, which is how you would say an Armenian in Armenian language. This name most probably has to do with the legendary Haik Nahapet, Haik Patriarch, who achieved his and his people's freedom and founded Armenia, or Hayastan, about 3,000 years ago. Hayastan is known as Armenia, Armana, Armeni, Somkheti, among non-Armenians. Armenia was recorded in a 4,000-year-old hieroglyph discovered in the Asia Minor Peninsula during the excavations of Khatutash, the capital of Hittites country, which does not exist today. The name Armenia is very old as well. There are also records about Armenia engraved on rocks. Here is one of the most ancient maps ever known to humanity. The star-shaped map of Babylon engraved on a clay table in the 5th century BC. A graph that shows the world at the time, sea, islands, rivers, towns, and countries. One of the 6 countries depicted on the map is Armenia. Number 1 shows Babylon at the center. Number 2 shows the mountains. Number 3 shows Armenia. 4 shows Khaban. 5 shows Assyria. 6, city. 7, Baltakina. And 8 shows Deri. The territory of Armenia has had many changes during history. Its boundaries have become larger and smaller throughout the years. Therefore, today the Republic of Armenia, which is composed of the Republic of Armenia and the Republic of Mountainous Karabakh, represents about 10% of the area of historical Armenia. The geographical position is a specific feature of every country. One of Armenia's features is its macro position. Macro means great in Greek and shows the position of Armenia compared to the world. In other words, its international position. You see that Armenia is at the north of the equator in the eastern hemisphere. It is at 40 degrees latitude and 40 degrees longitude at the north edge of the subtropical belt. if you look at it again, it shows the position of Armenia in a more limited area towards its neighboring geographical objects, that is, the meso position, meso meaning middle in Greek. Armenia is at the southwestern part of Eurasia, between the Black, Caspian, and Mediterranean seas. It is Caucasus mountain range, east of Asia Minor Peninsula, and north of the Iranian plateaus and Mesopotamia. Armenia is situated in the continent of Asia, while historically, culturally, and socially it belongs to the European civilization. Thus, today internationally, the Republic of Armenia is recognized as a civilized country of European inclinations culturally. Therefore, Armenia is a European country and a constitutional part of the West. This was a short introduction about Armenia, Armenians, and the period of their origin. Let us go back to geography in general, and specifically the brief history of geographical explorations of Armenia.